Hey guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, once again we are going to continue FISD integration itself. And if you talk about the explanations, like theoretical explanations, is already done. This prerequisites we have already done in previous session, and certain configuration step also we have done. So I think till these things already we have done in the previous session. And here I think till pricing procedure. I think pricing procedure is remain. From here onwards we have to start. Shipping point determination is already done. In previous session itself it is done. So we have to start from pricing procedure onwards. If you talk about maintenance of plant parameter, this is also a mandatory setting, but this is already done during FI MM integration itself, so it is not required. Now here we have to set up a pricing procedure. Okay, so what is this pricing procedure, guys? Again, this is also, if you talk about the pricing procedure, this is going to be set up by SD consultant itself solely. We are not going to do anything here, but so we have to set up this as a mandatory setting. Okay, now if you talk about this pricing, guys, pricing is we can say pricing is the heart of SD module, in the sense like whoever SD consultants are going for the interview, most of the questions are going to be derived by the people from pricing procedure itself. This is how they'll come to know how good understanding is there to that particular candidate. Okay, now generally pricing procedure generally determines the price of material, whatever materials are going to be sold, right? And generally we can say it's a combination of material price, again discount, freight, surcharge, etc. Okay, so as I told you, solely it is going to be defined by SD consultant. Okay, now here what we are going to do, so we are going to copy the standard, whatever is given by SAP. Standard pricing procedure is given by SAP, so generally we are going to copy that and we'll set up our pricing procedure, and we are doing it as a mandatory setting. In a real time, you guys will not be having access of these transaction code, neither you'll be having access of SD related configurations also. Let me log in first. Okay, so now here use transaction code V/08, and then here we have to search the standard. I think RV AA01 is there, that is given by SAP. Yes, here it is there. Select this one and copy. So PM00 I'm going to set up, and here you can give a description, press enter and click on copy all. Okay, just press enter, guys, keep on pressing enter. Look at here, now some changes are appearing here, right? One by one multiple details are appearing for like that. If you press enter, so look at here, now you press enter once again and enter once again. Now here you select this one and double click on control. So here what we have to do, guys, you just do one thing, click on select all and deselect 11. Then we can deselect which one, deselect even 105 also, and come down even this 815 and 920, and then you click on delete. Okay, so now we do one thing, press Control X in the sense save it. So we have created our pricing procedure, guys. Okay, generally in real time, SD consultant is going to create, and multiple conditions they are going to use, multiple conditions they are going to give. Now, so what we have done, we have created the pricing procedure. Okay, Determination of pricing procedure. So how system is going to determine this pricing procedure which we have created, right? So of course determination is going to happen only if we are going to assign, right? Assign this pricing procedure somewhere. Now where is the assignment? And this assignment is going to happen against what combination, right? So this is also all solely it is going to be decided by SD consultant itself. Whatever pricing procedure has been set up by him, against which combination it is going to be assigned is going to be decided by. Generally it will be like sales organization will be there, distribution channel, divisions, customer pricing procedure also will come into picture, certain condition type also will come into picture. What is the transaction code? OVKK. So we are going to go for this setting, determination of pricing procedure. So here you click on new entry. What is our sales organization? TM00. And what is the distribution, guys? Distribution channel is TM or T1 or T2? Let me check it here. I think it is T2, or else we'll do one thing. Distribution channel, you just come here, not here actually. So go to this one, this transaction code, and check it first. TM00, press enter, double click. So TM and TM, this is our distribution channel and division. Now we are going to use transaction code OVKK. Determination of pricing procedure here, and click on new entry, and then give your sales organization, distribution channel TM, division also TM, and then document procedure we give standard A. Customer pricing procedure we are going to give 1, and here pricing procedure, guys, we have created TM00, and condition type standard we are going to give PR00. Press enter and save it. So till now, whatever settings we have done, these all settings will be done by your SD consultant. Now here, what next, guys? Let me check on the next slide. So the next configuration is determination of partner functions, right? So this is also see determination of partner functions here. This is also going to be set up by your SD consultant itself. Either we can use this transaction code, or else even you can use path. See, if you are going to follow the path, guys, like here SPR, so these all settings are not belongs to FI. Here you can check it. Okay, so where is that? You just go to sales and distribution. So all the settings will be here. Like you just go to basic functions, then somewhere partner determinations will be there. Yes, here, and set up partner determination. Double click on the first one here. Okay, now here, if you talk about this partner determinations, then multiple, like 4 kind of partners will be there, like ship to party, sold to party, bill to party, and pairs. Certain logic is there behind that, and I think if like our SD consultant will have a perfect understanding about those logic, right? And SD, whoever the SD candidates are there, they need to understand these logic, because there might be a chances people are going to ask certain questions during interview related to this. But generally what is happening, guys, partner functions is like whenever we are going to set up the customer master. So customer master, we know, like general data is there, company code data is there, and then again sales organization data also will be there, the third one. Okay. So in sales organization data, all the things are coming from SD side. We have nothing to do. FI people will have nothing to do with sales organization data. right? So in sales organization data, generally there will be a partner, function tab also will be there. Customer partner tab will be there. In that, generally what is happening, guys? If a single customer is there, let's suppose, and so in customer master, whenever it is going to be set up in all partner functions, like for ship to party, for bill to party, like let's suppose ship to party, bill to party, paired, and sold to party. Okay, same number is going to be updated. Let's suppose this is the customer number, so same number will be updated. Now, sometime what happened in certain cases, like here the customer, whatever the main customer is there, right? So somebody has main customer means sold to party is going to be treated as a main customer, but somebody has raised a request. Like let's suppose uh, there'll be a request has been raised for delivery of a particular goods. But what is happening, guys? The delivery address is different. At a different address, it is going to be delivered. In customer master, you can maintain only one address over there, right? Now, corporate office is located somewhere, whereas like different plants are there, right? So in that case, what is happening? Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So now here. So something what happens like shipping address is different. Now in that case, what will happen? In that case, this number will be same, and one another customer is going to be created. Customer master is going to be created, and that shipping address is going to be specified in that number, and that is going to be assigned here. It is going to be linked. Again, this is we can say like bit complex things and all. And again, this is also going to be like solely it is going to be defined by SD consultant itself. Okay. So partner determination, this is also a mandatory setting. That is why we are going to do here. Now, so how to define? We are going to use some different, what to say this one, guys. Will different in the sense like standard. We are going to select AG itself. Somewhere it should be, yes. Select this AG, and then here double click here. Okay, I think it is gone. So I will just do. I'll have to log in once again. Okay. Now here once again, either you can follow path or else even we are having you can use this SM34. Click on maintain. So again we are going to reach at the same. Select this AG and double click on account group functions here. Then let me click on inventory, guys, and here we can give partner functions like BP supposed to be there for bill to party, SH supposed to be there for ship to party, and PY for paired, and for sold to party I think SD or something else. So I think it should be sold to parties. So I think SD itself, let me check it. Account group team level 0, team level 0, team level 0, and team level 0. Press enter. So keep on pressing enter, guys. This is warning message. Okay, here it's let me get, yes, instead of SD it is supposed to be SP. Okay, now just save it once. Okay, so now what we have done, guys, we have done with this part function determination, right? Then we have to define material type again. Material type is what, guys? It's just like count group, which is already explaining what is FIM integration, right? So use OMS2, and here just quantity update and value update, we have to apply a check mark. And material type which we are going to use is standard, FERT, that is for finished goods here. And here you can give like FERT and select it. Double click on quantity and value update. Click on procedure, cell position. TM00 is our valuation area. What is the valuation area, guys? Valuation area is nothing but your plant. So the plant code is going to be given here. Setup customer master. Setup customer master means either you can create a new customer or else you can extend the existing customer. Extension means what, guys? Extension means whatever the existing customer is there in that, like general data is already there, general data. Then company code data is also already created, but sales organization data is not set up yet. So that is going to be added. This is what is extension. Apart from this, let's suppose one customer is already created for one company code, and if it is the same customer is going to be created for the different company code. Different company code means it doesn't mean that new customer is going to be created. The same customer is going to be, only company code data are going to be added in that customer. That is also called customer extension. Okay, so now here we have to go for customer extension XD01, and we have already set up one customer, guys. So the same customer slash then XD01, the same customer we are going to use. So let me check which customer number. What is our customer number? And here the company code. So this is 257. Here our customer number. Here you can give sales organization team level 0, division TM, and again here also distribution channel team and division also team. Press enter. So now directly company code, whether you give the company code or not, directly it is going to take you to the sales organizations data only, sales area data only. Look at here, sales area data. Okay, in a customer master we are having three, that is general data and company code data. General data we have already given, sales area data is going to be. So now here certain details we are going to specify. These all details are coming from SD side. It is going to be filled up by your SD consultant. Even in real time, whenever the migrations are taking place, let's suppose customer master is supposed to be migrated from your legacy to SAP server. In that case, what to do, guys? In that case, it is the migrations means FI consultant is going to migrate general data and company code data only. Whatever the sales area data is there is going to be migrated by whom? It is going to be migrated by your SD consultant only. Likewise, in Material Master, in MM module in the sense MM consultant is going to migrate which data? purchase organization data in vendor master. Okay, our responsibility is to migrate general data and company code data both in customer master and vendor master as well. Now, okay, you just do one thing. Give your pricing procedure one. Some standard details we are going to give here. Apart from this, nothing else. You just click on shipping condition, and here we are going to give the priority 01 as soon as possible. And I think okay. Let me just wait, guys. The charging is less. Okay, so now here. Okay, so we are going to assign this delivery priority, and apart from this, we can give what? Shipping conditions can we give? We can give shipping condition also. Give 01. You can give your delivery plan TM00. That's it. Under billing document. Okay, under billing document, this in Incoterms. Incoterms stand for international commercial term, guys. That we are going to give standard CIF. That is like cost, insurance, and freight. So insurance and freight. And here terms of payment. Terms of payment we are going to give any terms of payment give 001 itself. That's it. And here account assignment group, that is you have to give 01. Okay, now just save it. And partner functions, automatically it is going to be updated. The same number supposed to be updated, guys. The partner function is not determined by system. Why it is supposed to be updated here? Let me check it. Okay, first of all, if I save it, let me check, guys. Now 2003, press enter here and click on sales area data here. Partner function is not appearing, right? No partner function has been created. It means, I think, why it is not appearing, guys? Let me check it. Click on maintain here. We have already selected AZ. Partner functions. It's okay. Partner determination assignment. Here, like TM00 is the assignment, guys. Here, yes, we forgotten actually. This assignment we have forgotten, guys. We have to assign this. Then only it is going to appear. Now, partner functions, look at here. Now it is appearing. Just save it. So now it is appearing. specify the field blank bank account in 10. Okay, bank account. Why we have specified the bank account, guys? Bank account is not required for customer, right? So you just, it is required for vendor. And apart from this, okay, anyway, it was showing like certain like whatever the bank account is there. Okay, so it's supposed to be like 10 digit. What do you say? Number supposed to be specified, but I have removed it. Just save it. So now what we have done, guys, we have extended our customer master, right? Sales area, right? Okay. So now, again, till now here, nothing has been done by us in the sense as a FI consultant, we have nothing to do with these all things. Once you like, if you have to go for FI, sorry, O2C testing and all, so these all things will be checked up by your SD consultant itself before the testing, and the configurations and everything supposed to be done by him only. Set up material master, that is also from MM side, but this is a finished goods, so we have to set up one material master for this one. So whatever materials are going to be purchased, for that also material master is supposed to be set up, guys, and whatever materials are going to be sold, that is called finished goods, that is also supposed to be set up. Though also master data supposed to be set up. It will be done by your MM consultant only. Okay. Now here, so this time do one thing. Here I'll give, instead of raw material, I'm going to give FG, finished goods. Okay, here select mechanical engineering itself. Material type, we are going to select finished goods. So for finished goods, again, what is happening here? Descriptions are appearing. So what I have done, look at here, I have already given FERT. So I can know that yes, this is my material type. And then you need to select what? So now different things. We are going to select what, guys? We'll select basic data 1 and then sales organizations. Sales organizations will select, right? And even second also we can select. Then select this sales general plan data also. Okay. Now anything else? Can we select this? So select this one. And then accounting 1 supposed to be there. You can click on default setting here and then press enter. Now here plant is TM00. Your storage location is also TM00. Sales organization is also TM00 and distribution channel is TM, and press enter. Okay, so in unit of measure you have to give here and a description supposed to be given. Apart from this, anything else, guys? Now here one more thing, gross weight and net weight supposed to be given, guys. Whatever material is there, so what is the gross weight in the sense with packaging and without packaging. If you don't give here, then system is going to it will be updated in completion log where, so at the time of creation of sales order. You press enter. Okay, and then sales organization data 1, here what we have to specify. So delivering plant, we can specify here TM00. Okay, and anything else? Okay, division also we can give here TM, right? And anything tax category just 0. Press enter. Then sales organization 2, what we have to give, guys? Account assignment, of course, this is a very important thing, guys. During assignment of like whenever we are going to assign the GL account, right? At that time, at that point of time, during account determination, GL account determination, this is going to play a crucial role. I'll explain, guys. Don't worry. Right now, set up a material master item category group NORM. We are going to use standard itself. Just press enter. Sales general plant. So here, sales general plant. Here we are going to give KP standard, and transportation group we can give 0001, and here loading group also 0001 itself we are going to give standard itself. Okay, this 0001 is for what? It is for, I think, crane or something. Yes, it is crane only. Now just press enter, and in general plant storage data one, here nothing we are going to give, guys. Just skip, press enter here. And here, yes, price control supposed to be yes here, standard, and whatever standard price is there is going to be specified here. Values and class for finished goods, let me check the values and class. So 7920 I'm going to use the standard. What is the use of values and class, guys? So values and class is, just save it first. So values and class is generally going to group together. The similar nature of materials are going to be grouped together with the help of values and class. Okay. So what we have done, we have created even material master also. Here also there is nothing will be done by us. Material master is also going to be set up by those people itself. Now then what next, guys? The next one is, let me check, creation of condition record. This is also a kind of, we can say it's a kind of master data itself. Okay. Generally it is also called condition master. Okay, and generally, okay, so we generally condition record is a master data from which side, guys? That is coming from pricing. Okay, this is a mandatory setting. That is why we are going to do this setting also. So how to set up this condition record? So you won't be able to understand much logic about this one also, because again it is a part of SD. Give a standard condition here PR00 and press enter here. Customer material with release status. You just press enter here. Specify your material. We have PM00 score F3. For every material they are going to specify, they are going to maintain a condition record, guys. Okay, so from condition record, what is happening? All these things like the unit of measure, amounts, what is the price of this material, everything is going to be determined by system. Unit means here we are going to specify what, the currency or like unit of measure. It is currencies only. Press enter. Yes, just save it. Okay, so we have specified the condition record. Now here, so till condition record, nothing is going to be done by you people. If you are able to understand certain things, it's okay. Even if you are not able to understand also, it's okay. Why? Because these things will be, as I told you, solely it is going to be done by SD consultant. Few part will be done by MM people, right? Like setting up material master will be done by those people. Now here, set up GL account, that is our part, and GL account assignment is also our part. Now guys, here again, if you talk about the assignment of GL account, then what will happen? The assignment of GL account again, like most likely the SD consultant, most likely they'll ask the GL account, list of GL account, and they are going to perform the assignment. And even if they are saying like, okay, if you have to do the assignment, in that case also we are seeking help from SD people. Why? Because we don't know the combinations, against which combinations we have to do the assignment, how many sales organizations they have created, how many distribution channel they have created, how many division they have created. what is the customer pricing procedure, what is the material pricing procedure, how many customer pricing procedure they have created, how many material pricing procedure they have created, right? So these things we don't know, right? So during assignments, again, without their input, we won't be able to assign these things. Okay, so here now we'll do one thing, guys. Okay, so two things are there, guys. If you talk about the creation of GL account, then we are going to set up how many GLs. I'll let you know. First of all, during goods issues, that is called PGI, post goods issues, right? So during that, what is going to be the accounting entry will be, so stock is going to be decreased, right? Goods issues means whatever the stock is there, that is going to be decreased since the goods are going out. So your stock is going to be credited and one offsetting GL is going to be debited, guys. That is called COGS. COGS, cost of goods sold, is going to be debited. And we'll do one thing. First of all, go to FS00. And if you talk about stock account, so here we have already created like stock of raw material somewhere here. Copy and make it 41 and make it MC. Remaining everything will be as it is. Just save it. So stock GL we have created, and COGS I'm going to set up under this account group. Click on create and make it 5002. So you select it other, and here just give Z001 itself. Let me check it. Post automatically, you just save it. Okay, and I'll just do one thing, guys. I think it should be G006 itself. Yes, give G006 itself. Why? Because here it is having a different what is the settings, right? If you talk about the field control, a different control will be there, and impact will be somewhere like once we are going to do the transaction posting, guys, at that point of time lots of inconsistencies will be there. Like in G001 there are certain fields which is already suppressed, but during creation of what do you say, like once we are going to post this goods issues, during that you will be facing multiple errors. Why? Because there are certain fields which is suppressed, and at the time of posting PCI, those fields are required, in the sense you must have to specify certain details and all, but the fields are not appearing, so system will throw error. So that is why better to use G006 itself here. Now, so what we have done, guys, we have set up the GL account. What next? The assignment of GL account. So, if you talk about the goods issues means here that is related to a stock. Stock related, all the GLs are going to be assigned where, guys, in OBYC setting itself. You have to go to OBYC here, and stock means BSX, right? It is blocked by a particular user, so I have to use SM12, or else I won't be able to maintain this. Delete all, guys, multiple people are there. and use your OBYC once again. Now this time, so BSX, double click on BSX here. We are going to assign this stock, and against the same combination guys here. Valuation class is going to be 7920. This is what the valuation class in Middle Master. I'm able to remember here 1041. Save it first. Okay. So now what we have done guys, we have done the assignment. What next? The next one is COGS. So that is offsetting GL, and offsetting GLs are going to be assigned against GBB. There is a transaction event key that is called GBB. Here itself it is going to be assigned. You just need to select here, and general modifier also, Control S, valuation modifier that is called, that is your what to say, valuation grouping code 0001. What is this valuation grouping code guys? The group of valuation area. And what is valuation area? Valuation area is plant, right? So multiple plant can be grouped together, and it is going to be assigned against a particular valuation grouping code, and that valuation grouping code is also called valuation modifier, that is 0001. General modifier guys, now here we are going to use VAX, okay, and then valuation class 7920, and then here the account for offsetting what we have created guys, I think 5002. That is what we have created. Just save it. So we have done the account assignment here, right? Now, okay, we'll do one thing, and so during billing, right, how system is going to determine the sales revenue account. So sales revenue account is going to be assigned against VKOA, what is it, transaction, in the sense VKOA table, and here you just do one thing. Now, so here you double click on the first one itself. Multiple table is there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So first of all, system, this is like hierarchy kind of things are there. System is going to determine, search out the GL account against this combination. If system couldn't find, then GL account can be find against this combination, these combinations. Like that, it is going to be proceeded. Here against this combination itself, we are going to assign the GL account. And again, as I told you, during assignment of GL account, which combinations are going to be used, right? Which combinations are going to be used? Again, those combinations is going to be, who is going to let you know those combinations and all, that is going to be informed by your SD consultant. As I told you, we don't know like how many sales organizations they have created, or distribution channel, or is like customer account assignment group, middle account assignment group. These things are required. Okay. Now here, so you just do one thing guys. Here what we have to do, okay, click on new entry, and here we are going to assign our, okay, so application area we are going to use V, that is the standard given by SAP itself. V stand for what guys? That is for sales and distribution, so always we are going to use this V. And condition type, so we are having two condition type guys, KOFI and KOFK. These are the two condition type which is going to be used here, but most likely, in almost like I'll tell you 99% of the cases, we are going to use KOFI itself. In 1% of the cases, like in certain cases, like let's suppose there are certain manufacturing organizations, and if like let's suppose sales order costing is there guys, this is a different thing here. It's not possible to explain here. Sales order costing, if it is that is activated, if that is implemented, in that case only KOFK is going to be selected here. Condition type, or else, as I told you, KOFI itself is going to be selected here. Okay, this remaining somebody has created. Generally in real time you will be finding KOFI and KOFK, and I don't think that consultants are going to create any other condition types and all. So you just select KOFI somebody has created, it's okay. Chart of account, TM00, sales organization is also TM00. Now here account assignment group, there are two account assignment groups. This is called customer account assignment group and this is material account assignment group. Here, there is a logic behind this, guys. Look at here, this is for customer. So I'll just do one thing. We'll give standard itself here. Okay, like what we are going to use 01, and here we are going to use 03, and account key ERL, and then GL account. For revenue, this is going to be whatever revenue is there. For that, we are having what is the account key which is going to be used, that is ERL itself, and GL account is going to be used, that is like what is the sales revenue GL, guys, which we have created. I think 3000 we have created. Yes, 3000. So that is going to be assigned here. This GL account is going to be determined by system automatically. Press enter and save it. Okay. Now I told you here this account assignment group. This account assignment group is also having, this is going to play a crucial role in terms of GL account determination, guys. Say for example, see, I'll tell you, like, okay, I'll just do one thing. This 01, we have the code, guys. 01 stands for, let's suppose, domestic revenue, and here foreign revenue. I need to say, like, we are having two kind of customers, let's suppose domestic customer and what to say, foreign customers, right? And material type also we are having like two kind of materials, that is like 01 is for, and I'll use 03. This 0, the standard code only I'm going to use, guys. If the consultant want, if SD people want to set up this what to say, pricing procedure in the sense like this, sorry, account assignment group, then they can set up. Even other codes also can be given. Now here this is for traded goods, and this is for finished goods. Okay, sometime what is happening, like, okay, so now traded goods means they have purchased the goods from somewhere, they are going to apply their own what to say logo and stickers and everything, and they are going to sell it to somebody, right? Or else finished goods means it is manufactured and it is going to be sold. Now, so here what is happening, guys, if you talk about this combination, right, here with the same combinations, only account assignment groups are going to be changed and multiple GL can be assigned. If you want to perform testing, you can perform testing. Like, let's suppose if this is like, okay, if they want to see like how much revenue we have generated from domestic customer, okay, but again domestic how much revenue got generated from domestic customer, domestic customer from domestic customer, and that too for traded goods, and again domestic customer for finished goods. So now the combination will be 01, 01 and 01 and 03. So two different GL is going to be assigned here, right? And again, how much revenue got generated for this what to say, foreign customers for traded goods and for finished goods. So again 0201 and 0203. So now here what is happening, guys, the combinations are going to be changed, right? 0101, like here it will be 0101 and 01 and 03. So 0103 is already assigned, here 01 and 01. Now here different GL account. Remaining all the details will be same. Different GL is going to be assigned. Now likewise 02, 01 and 02 and 03. So again 02 and 01 and 02 and 03. So here two different GL accounts are going to be assigned. Right? So now here what is happening, guys? Remaining details will be same, only based on account assignment group. This account assignment group, customer account assignment group is going to be assigned in customer master, and material account assignment group is going to be assigned in material master. That already I have done. I have given this code. Okay. So if you want to perform testing, you have to create 3-4 different kind of GLs, and that you can assign here, and you can perform the testing. Now you just do one thing. I think it's gone. So now what we have done, guys, we have okay. So we have assigned the GL account, right? Now creation of sales order and some more things. Okay, sales order, then PGI, right, and billing will be taking place. So that I'll explain in next session, because I know certain errors are going to be appear, guys. Certain error will appear. So we'll check. We'll see in next session. We'll see how many errors are appearing and what is the solution. So that is going to be covered in next session. That's all in this session, guys. That's all for today.